Okay, today I am working in the bathroom. This is the master bathroom. We have some pretty blank colored walls, a lot of beige tile. So eventually I'm going to paint all the tile. We'll do a stencil in the shower, and today we're gonna put some shiplap up on this wall. I haven't decided if I'm gonna keep going. You can see I painted back here to try and brighten up that corner over there where the toilet is, but that may go too. So we're gonna paint, or we're gonna shiplap and then paint, and then we'll see if we add shiplap around. And then we'll get to cabinets and countertops. It's gonna be like full-blown remodel. So let's get started. I try to do everything as budget friendly as possible. So I will be using masonite board or hardboard. You can get this at Lowe's or Home Depot in 4x8 sheets. And we'll be doing this for the faux wall behind me, and then we'll paint and seal it so that it will be protected against the moisture from the bathroom. I will also be using brad nails to secure it to the wall, and I'm using 1-inch brad nails. And then I'll make sure I'll put the first layer down and make sure that it is level. We'll put the spacers in between, put the next layer up, make sure it's level, spacers, and so on, all the way up.